Alright, so as you may notice, I'm in the passenger seat. And we're playing Daft Punk. And I got my subs back together. But you want to see like the really cool thing? Like, that I'm geeking out about? What's behind here, I wonder? Quietly to myself. Oh, what's this? It's a Rockford Fosgate 1200D. So this is like a project I've been wanting to do for a very long time, was to get this in here. And I finally got an amp the right size, the right amperage, the right input, the right output. And it's fucking glorious. And it just hangs out in there like it's supposed to, like it was designed for it. It's not warm. It hits beautifully. I rewired the bass box because it was a series setup and now it's a parallel. And this is just something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. And I finally got to do it. So happy about it, you have no idea. It's beautiful. There's a sub setup and you'd never notice. Well, except for the wump 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 in the back there.
It's time to start.
Oh, okay.
Rock count.
What else do I have on this disc? More Blue Man Group. Okay, Butterfly. Okay. What? Does it... Fascinating. Alright, yeah. This'll work. It's clean. That's the best thing. It's clean. Oh, it's the edited version. Lame.
No money, no.
Okay. I mean, that's car life. Alright, not bad. Oh yeah, some good ambiance. I think this is from Homeworld Cataclysm, actually. Yeah, this is the Homeworld Cataclysm soundtrack, and that's some of the creepy ambiance music. That's Cowboy Bebop for sure. I don't know what that is. More Cowboy Bebop. More. Got a lot of Cowboy Bebop. Horse music. Good. Yeah. And then it goes to Slide by the Goo Goo Dolls. What the hell? And then... Really? Not Gwen Stefani, not Shania Twain. Who is this? Maybe it is Gwen Stefani. Alright, is there anything else? Alright. The CD is weird. What? But that bass though. Oh yeah. That bass though. Translate there. Oh well. Beautiful. Is there anything else? Oh, track 22. More Goo Goo Dolls. Okay. Oh, and then back to track 1. What was track 2? I skipped over it. Oh, it's the continuation. Aerodynamic and Discovery. This is beautiful. Hold on. We're gonna enjoy this one. Just for a little bit. Oh, there's no bass in this song, he says jokingly. You want a good equalizer? That's a good equalizer. Oh, wait. There it is. That's beautiful. Oh, and of course, as always, radio switch.